Watch these 7 hidden Feng Shui wealth mistakes keeping you broke and how to fix them fast. You might be doing everything right, working hard, manifesting wealth. But what if your home is silently pushing abundance away? In this video, I'm going to reveal 7 hidden Feng Shui wealth mistakes that I see in 90% of the homes I visit. These are the subtle energy blocks that can keep you feeling stuck, no matter how hard you try. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find them, how to fix them, and how to finally turn your space into the money magnet it's meant to be. This video is for you if you've been feeling stuck financially. If you feel like you take one step forward, but then an unexpected bill pushes you 2 steps back. If, no matter how much effort you put in, money just seems to slip through your fingers. I've worked with hundreds of homes, and let me tell you, the patterns are clear. When the wealth energy in your home gets blocked, prosperity simply cannot stay. So grab a notepad and let's walk through your home together. Mistake 1. Cluttered entrance, the blocked mouth of Qi. All right, the first and biggest mistake I see everywhere is the entrance with a pile of shoes or clutter. Think about it. In Feng Shui, we call your main door the mouth of Qi. This is literally where all new energy, new opportunities, new money, new people is trying to enter your life. But what does it find when it gets there? When you open your door, are you tripping over a pile of shoes? Is there a bag of trash waiting to go out? A stack of old mail? You are literally creating an obstacle course for abundance. You're sending a strong, symbolic message to the universe that says, there's no room for anything new here. The fix is simple, but it's powerful. You must keep this area clear. Find a closed cabinet for your shoes. Clear all the clutter. Wipe down your front door, inside and out. Add one healthy, vibrant plant to draw in positive Sheng Qi and make sure the lighting is warm and welcoming. You want that new opportunity to feel invited into your home, not like it has to fight its way in. Mistake 2. Mirrors facing the main door. In Feng Shui, mirrors are powerful amplifiers. They don't just reflect your image, they reflect and bounce energy. When you place a mirror directly opposite the door, all that wonderful new opportunity and wealth Qi that you just invited in just gets bounced right back out. It's like having a security guard at your door that says, "Nope, you're not welcome here," to all your new money. Now, mirrors in an entryway are not bad. They are actually very good for expanding the space. They just can't be opposite the door. Here are quick remedies. Reposition the mirror. Place it on a side wall, a wall perpendicular to the door. That way, it still brightens the space and expands the energy, but it circulates the Qi into your home instead of kicking it out. Mistake 3. Bathroom in the wealth corner, southeast corner. Okay, this is a big one. A bathroom located in your wealth corner. How do you find your wealth corner? From the Compass School, it's the southeast SE sector of your home. In Feng Shui, the bathroom is a place of draining energy. It's where water and waste leave the home. The southeast, on the other hand, is your primary money corner. When you put these two together, you are literally flushing your wealth and prosperity down the drain. You might notice that money comes in, but it leaves just as fast. That is a classic symptom of this problem. The fix. Now, you can't move your bathroom, but you can remedy it. Keep the door shut. Always. Keep the toilet lid down. Always, especially when flushing. Add a plant. Place a healthy, vibrant, soil-based plant in the bathroom. The wood element of the plant will drink the excess water energy and transform it into new life. Add earth. Introduce earth element colors like brown, yellow, or beige towels and bath mats to dam the water and control the draining energy. Mistake 4. Broken or dead items, stagnant Qi. Your home is a living, breathing reflection of your life. Every object in it holds energy. When you keep items that are broken, you are surrounding yourself with the energy of stagnant Qi or decay, loss, and stuckness. A broken clock is the most powerful example. It's a literal symbol that your time and progress are frozen. If you feel stuck in your career, go check your clocks. The fix is non-negotiable. If you love it, repair it immediately. If you don't, or if it can't be fixed, you must let it go. Thank it for its service and move it out of your space. You are making room for new, whole, vibrant energy to come in. Mistake 5. Empty bowls or vases. This is a subtle one. Keeping empty bowls, vases, or jars on display. In Feng Shui, we are always working with symbolism. An empty bowl, especially an empty wealth bowl or money frog, is a powerful symbol of lack and emptiness. You are telling the universe that you have nothing and you are inviting more. Well, nothing. The fix is easy and fun. Fill them. Fill your decorative bowls with fruit, a classic symbol of abundance. Fill your vases with fresh, not fake, flowers. And create a dedicated wealth bowl. Fill it with coins, crystals like citrine and pyrite, and small symbols of gold. Mistake 6. Sleeping under a beam or cluttered bed. Mistake number 6 is about your bedroom. Sleeping under an exposed beam or having a cluttered space under your bed. You spend 8 hours a day in your most vulnerable, receptive, yin state, sleep. If you have a heavy beam above you, it's a cutting arrow of energy that presses down on you all night. This creates subconscious stress, poor sleep, and can lead to fuzzy, bad financial decisions. And if the space under your bed is crammed with old boxes, shoes, or forgotten items, the qi cannot circulate. Your body cannot fully rest and rejuvenate. The fix. If you can't move your bed from under the beam, hang a soft piece of fabric or a canopy to diffuse the energy. And for under the bed, clear it out completely. Let the energy flow freely so you can wake up truly rested, clear-headed, and ready to make smart, abundant choices. Mistake 7. No movement in wealth corner. And finally, mistake number 7. A dead wealth corner. So you've found your southeast corner. You've cleaned it. It's perfect. But it's just a corner. It's empty. It's dormant. Wealth is energy. It needs to move. It needs to flow. Stagnant energy, even if it's clean, is just like a bank account you never use. The money is there, but it's not doing anything. The fix: you must activate it. Introduce gentle, positive movement. This is the perfect place for a small, quiet water feature with the water flowing inwards toward the center of your home. You can also use a small, quiet fan, a mobile that moves in the breeze, or even play soft, uplifting music in that corner. You are stirring up the qi and calling in new opportunities. Okay, we just went through 7 of the biggest wealth blocks I see. Now, I want you to be honest. Which of these 7 mistakes are you making right now? Is it the cluttered entryway? Do you have a broken clock in a drawer? Let's have a confession session. Tell me in the comments below which one you're going to fix this week. I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. And for those of you who have stayed with me, I want to share a reward. We've talked about the mistakes, but now let's talk about acceleration. Here are 3 advanced Feng Shui wealth secrets most people have never heard of. Now that you know the red flags, here are 3 Feng Shui wealth secrets most people have never heard of. 1. The unstoppable combo. Activate the southeast, wealth, with wood plus water. We know the southeast, wealth, corner's element is wood. We also know water feeds wood. To create an unstoppable money flow, combine these elements. Place a healthy jade plant, wood, right next to a small tabletop fountain, water. The water feeds the wood, symbolizing your cash flow. Water, feeding your growth. Wood. It's incredibly potent. 2. Use the power of intention. This is so simple. Every morning, right before you leave, stand at your mouth of qi, your front door. Take 1 deep breath and whisper a wealth affirmation. Something like, "Money flows easily and joyfully into my life." Or, "I am a magnet for new opportunities." You are programming the energy of your home and yourself for success before you even step out the door. 3. Color code for cash flow. Colors have powerful vibrations. To fuel prosperity, you don't need to paint your walls. Just add accents of wealth colors in your southeast corner. The best ones are deep greens, for the wood element and growth, and subtle gold, for the metal element and the energy of money itself. A green cushion, a gold-framed picture. Small changes make a big impact. So there you have it. 7 mistakes to fix and 3 secrets to implement. Remember, Feng Shui isn't superstition, it's energy alignment. Your home is your partner in success. The more intentional you are with your space, the stronger your results will be. Don't get overwhelmed. Start with just one change today. Clear your entryway. Fix that clock. And then watch and feel how the energy in your life begins to shift. If you found this useful and are ready to align your entire life, please click that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because the energy you'll find here every week is powerful. And get ready, because next week I'm sharing 5 powerful Feng Shui symbols that multiply money flow. You do not want to miss that one. Thank you for watching. Create harmony and attract abundance.